back to the channel. So Biddle,
hi Ben.
what's going
Barber.
on, dude?
I'm just looking at some
your
some
little
specs
homeworks
here.
there.
Yes, I'm just reading up.
You're just reading up. All right. Well, while you're reading up, I'll let the folks know we're here with our friends once again from Auto Collection of Murfreesboro. We've got another kind of a rare ride. I mean, yes, folks, it is a Mustang, but what makes this so fancy, Bo?
This is one of 1,000.
Oh, one of thousands.
Shelby
500 GT500
KR, King of the Road.
KR sounds for King of the Road.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like that's like the truck thing, though.
It is.
Like,
It's really weird, but all right. King
whatever.
of the Road, we'll take it.
So it's an 08. That's
So
the
it's an
40th
08
anniversary.
GT500 from factory was right about $44,000 new, and then the KR package was thrown on it.
Double the
And-
price almost, didn't it?
Yeah, like where's the?
Yeah, it was about 33,000 over. Well, plus your gas guzzler charge, so it was $35,000 option on top of what you have to pay for the car itself.
Okay, so that's expensive.
So it's
an expensive Mustang.
Can you imagine? Well, it's an $80,000 Mustang, brand new, essentially,
Jeez.
or in the 70s.
It's really expensive. All
It
right.
is, but again, it's one of 1,000. There's
a lot of Mustang folks out there, you know, that definitely want this kind of thing. So that's why they built it. They only built 1,000. I guess they sold 1,000 as well, hopefully for them.
And this is number 83.
83. All right. Well,
It says it right here, Ben. I did my homework just
Oh,
a minute ago. See?
cool. And the package, generally speaking, handling package, a little bit of power bump, right? 40 horsepower ish, something like
So
that.
they, what they did, they changed from an X pipe over to an H pipe.
So it does have a sound,
It has some engine management software kind of changes.
timing, those kind of
correct.
things. Just kind of add a few extra horsepower.
So it gives you an extra 40 horsepower, extra 30 pound-feet of torque over the GT500. So about 540.
Just what you need in a Mustang. More powers.
There's also some weight savings, Ben. Like the hood is 15 pounds lighter over
stock hood. Okay,
than the
that's
stock
nice.
hood as well.
And it's got shocks and all. It's got
Suspension
kind of a full
tuning
run-through.
and all that
Everything-
stuff,
Everything's
so.
kind of been massaged a little bit. Now let's see if they added any space to the trunk. They probably didn't.
You have the keys,
The
Ben?
keys are actually in the ignition.
Oh, geez.
You can hear that forward beeping. I love the little badging 500, and they just barely fit that KR on there. Just barely fit the KR on there. Oh, it pops, but it doesn't lift. And
Oh, what do we got back here, Ben? What is all that?
what is
Is that a pillow? Car cover?
Car cover.
Yeah, that's nice.
What is that?
That's a fantastic question, Ben.
That looks
That's
like a
table. Oh, you know what?
For a boat.
Anybody got any ideas? What is
And
this?
yeah, I mean, it's got cup holders.
it
in
does look like it would be like on a boat or
like
something.
a
and
table.
or-
But there's no mount on the bottom, so like it's supposed to sit on.
Maybe it's like so you can work on your car. Oh,
Oh, he broke it.
I'm just going to put this back in the trunk, guys, 'cause I don't know what I'm doing.
What's going on here?
I don't know.
Okay, folks, we'll be honest. We didn't open the trunk, so we did not know that was in there. There is a bunch of space, so that's good. And it does have a nice car cover. Carroll Shelby's name is on there. That's fancy.
I'm sure he personally
Signed
signed
that,
that
yeah.
himself.
I'm sure. All right, so plenty of space in the trunk. Go ahead and give us a start up.
I don't think
revs.
we can't rev too loud today,
We don't
but
wanna
I don't
rev
think
crazy.
we even really need to. I think we
Not
just
with this thing.
turn this thing on and
And let her just idle a bit. Maybe a blip to 1,000, 1,500. Clutch on this thing's really easy. This thing drives really well. You can see it's got some throat to it, folks. Definitely it's got that Mustang tone. That's all we need. That is all we need.
this thing's got pop. Well, that was a pop.
That sounded good though. Man, that sounded really good. All right, not to run by it quickly, but they did put a different wing than stock on here. I'm not too keen on the throwing wings on these things unless they're functional. Bobittle's gonna hit that unlock button for me. There we go. So, kind of bare bones, not, this is hard plastic. Don't put your arm on that. It's not comfortable. This is hard plastic. This is a little foamy, but I guess it is a little foamier. But
Well, I guess
really
the idea
nice stereo in here. I was listening to on the way down.
it wasn't really designed for all the comforts.
You're right.
Weight
This thing's
savings.
More of a track car kind of thing.
Yeah.
Really nice stitching on the seats. The seats are nicely bolstered, and honestly, like,
how was it driving, Ben?
So it's really comfortable. It drives like a Mustang, you know. It drives real comfortably, I guess, but it's just got so much power. First, second, and third gear, pretty much got some tire spin problems. Fourth gear pulls really good on the interstate.
So this car is ready to like go do burnouts at Cars and Coffees and hit curbs and stuff?
No,
that's
yes, it can do that, but I would say not to do that. Do me a favor, hop in there, Bo. I want to show folks a couple quick little things you can't do without actually demonstrating. Show the throw from first to second. Because it's a really short throw, like really short. It's probably the shortest I've ever seen in a Mustang.
Man, that is tight.
It's really tight.
How's the clutch feel?
It feels great, man. It's easy to drive. The problem is that it's got some traction issues. So you just let the clutch out, press the gas just a little bit, and you're spinning tires. Traction control is on, and you're still spinning tires.
Jeez.
You were behind me. You probably saw me a couple times goose it a little bit, second and third gear, and definitely lost traction immediately. So it is cold. It was like 30 degrees when we picked the car up, so it is cold. So I do understand that. So yes, the gear shift knob is and does function really well. Looks cool too. Here's your Shelby badge. There's your what'd you say, number 83? There it is at the bottom.
08KR.
Very basic interior. It does have good speakers, but as you can see, it's got that basic interior from what, 2007 or 8.
At least it's a slick top, Ben.
Yeah, no sunroof, so they save weight there as well. The back seats do have, as you can see, folks, there's a little bit of room there. Definitely can fit a kid in there.
Or a small dog.
Or a small dog would fit. Go ahead and pop that hood. I'm going to come and look at the driver's compartment over there while you do that. Door cards are very pretty much the same. It does have semi-automatic seats, which is helpful. Very basic gauge package. The steering wheel is nice. I do like this extra stitching on here. This does feel nice. Honestly, like the things you touch the most, the steering wheel and the shift knob, they both feel pretty amazing to the touch. So I guess that's all that really matters. This has got some, because it is that Shelby hood, it's got some little bit of aftermarket-y knobs here. Wow. Okay.
There it is.
That's big. That's a big supercharger hanging off there.
And this was a hand built with pride, Ben. By who's that? Jeremy Comer.
If that's you, man.
Good job, Jeremy.
We're proud of you. This thing definitely runs really good. Good pull, good power.
This thing is so clean. Look at this.
It is. I mean, this thing looks brand new. Got the nice Ford Racing intake on it. And all the little touches, folks.
I love
these are all aluminum. Every one of them. There's another one over here. And there's another one over here for the oil. And another one over here for the... It's like these little things are $50–$60 a piece at the very least, I'm sure.
Well, I love how they've got it labeled. You know, your power steering and washer fluid.
Well, they've spent...
That's great.
It's pretty cool, man. Again, with everything that you touch is going to feel legit. So, really nice ride, man. Again, this is one of the older cars that Auto Collection probably has on their lot at the moment. It's a super low mileage version of this car, so... But again, we did get this from Auto Collection. Y'all hit them up. They are the people that support us doing these things. So y'all be sure to go check them out. Do the whole like, subscribe, and comment thing. We're gonna let Bo figure out how to get this hood closed. I think that's all we got. So thank you so much for watching. We will see y'all in the next video.